Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chemistry. This is completely new for you, but we will learn it in a very interesting way. So, when we look around us nearby, various material we will observe over here. Chemically, these materials can be divided into three categories. Number one is the element, second one compound, and third one is the mixture. Element, compound, and mixture. As we know, all the materials made up of small particles, and these small particles are called as atoms. These small particles are called as atoms. Atoms combine to one another to get their stability, and when the atoms combine together, the atoms of similar kind can join. When the similar kind of atom can join, they form the similar or dissimilar, whatever it is. They form the molecules. Got it? Now, the elements, about 116 elements have been discovered in the nature. Some of the elements present in nature, some are artificially synthesized in laboratories. Now look, the symbols. Today we will learn about the symbols. Compound, mixture we will discuss later on. Just we see their definitions. Element, a substance which is made up of same kind of the atoms, only one kind of the atoms, known as element. Second one, compound. When two or more elements combine in a fixed ratio. When two or more elements combine in a fixed ratio, they form the molecule. Now, third one. When different elements and various material are present in random way, not fixed ratio, in any ratio, in any amount, such kind of the material, such kind of the substance is known as mixture. Air is a mixture of gases. Air is not a compound. Air is a mixture of gases. Soil is a mixture of a number of minerals. Compound. Water is a compound. In this, hydrogen and oxygen are combined. In which ratio? Hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. And that's why we write the formula H2O. Got it? Like this, carbon dioxide is also a compound. Carbon monoxide is also compound. Carbon dioxide, compound. Water, compound. Soil, mixture. Air, mixture. Tap water contains a number of the salt also. The tap water is also a mixture. Now we will discuss elements and their symbols. Now students, look symbols of different elements. Hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, organ Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca, gold Au, silver Ag, iron Fe, tin Sn, copper Cu, mercury para Hg, chromium Cr, manganese Mn, cobalt Co, zinc Zn. Okay, now revise once again. Hydrogen H, helium, who will tell? He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen, yes, who will tell me? Fluorine, neon Ne. Next, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, who will tell me? Al, silver, silicon, Si, and silver is Ag, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, organ Ar, potassium K, not P for phosphorus, calcium Ca, gold Au, silver Ag, iron Fe, फेरस होता है बेटा ये ना, टीन Sn, कॉपर Cu, mercury Hg, chromium Cr, manganese Mn, cobalt Co, and now zinc Zn.